Okay, Siddhi Kapse has raised the hand, so she will solve the first question of worded problems.
Yes, sir.
Bolo Siddhi.
Sir, so length is equals to 12, 1 upon 2. So that is 25 upon 2.
Okay. Again.
The breadth is 10, 2 by 3 is equals to 32 upon 3.
Okay. What is the
The perimeter equals to 2 in bracket length plus breadth bracket close.
Length is equal to how much? 12, 1 by 2 centimeters. So that will be equal
25,
to 25.
25 upon 2.
Okay. What is the breadth?
10, 2 upon 3. That is 32 upon 3.
Okay. So 32 upon 3 centimeter. अभी हमारे पास लेंथ भी आ गया, ब्रेड भी आ गया. Now you can see one rectangle has been displayed. Suppose ये rectangle का नाम देते हैं हम लोग ABCD. ओके.
Yes.
तो यहाँ पे लेंथ क्या है? 25 बाय 2 सेंटीमीटर है. और ब्रेड क्या है? 32 बाय 3 सेंटीमीटर. सो पेरीमीटर क्या होता है? यस सिद्धि.
2 in bracket length plus breadth.
Okay, perimeter is equal to 2 in bracket length plus breadth.
Plus breadth.
Okay.
So 2 in bracket 25 upon 2 plus 32 upon 3.
Plus 32 upon 3.
30. The LCM of 2 and 3, the denominators is equals to 6.
Okay. So what will come?
25 into 3 and 2 into 3.
Correct. Next.
Plus 32 into 2 and 3 into 2.
Okay. What will be the next?
Then 2 in bracket. 2 in bracket.
75
plus 64 upon 6.
plus
75.
64 upon
6.
next
Sir,
step.
then we will cut 2 ones are and 2 threes are equals to 6.
No, beta. First we will solve this bracket, na.
Yes, sir. 75 plus 64.
How much it comes?
139.
139 divided by 6. Now we will cancel it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
अगर आप चाहो तो एक और स्टेप बढ़ा सकते हो. 2 multiplied by 139 divided by 6. Okay. Now you can cancel it. 2 ones are and 2 threes are.
2 threes are.
So what
So
is
the answer is 139 upon 3. And in mixed fraction, it is 46 1 by 3 centimeter.
Okay. So the answer is 139 divided by 3 centimeter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Always see, keep in mind, whenever the word perimeter comes, do the sum of all the boundaries. अगर आपको formula नहीं आता है, okay, if you don't know the formulas, what you will do? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, then also you will get the same answer. Okay. Is there any doubt? Is it clear to everyone? What you didn't understood, Sarvesh, संदीप राठौड़, क्या नहीं समझा आपको?
सर पेरीमीटर का
फॉर्मूला है वो. अगर आपको ये नहीं जम रहा है तो आप ऐसा कीजिए, पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू, मैंने अभी आपको वही बताया ना. यू डोंट नो द फॉर्मूला, यू शुड नो द फॉर्मूला. नाउ यू आर इन 7th स्टैंडर्ड. आपको आगे भी लगेगा ये फॉर्मूला. पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, पेरीमीटर यानी बाउंड्री होती है. ये फिगर की जो बाउंड्री है उसकी लेंथ कितनी है उसको पेरीमीटर बोलते हैं. ओके. तो आप ऐसे करो, ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस CD प्लस DA। तो ए बी का जितना वैल्यू होगा उतना ही वैल्यू CD का होगा, क्योंकि अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल आर सेम। ओके, तो ये भी 25/2 सेंटीमीटर होगा। BC का जितना वैल्यू होगा, कितना वैल्यू है 32/3, तो ये AD का भी उतना ही वैल्यू होगा। अब करो, सबको ऐड करो, यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर। ओके, ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who wants to try this? Who will try this? No one? Okay, Palak Jain will try this.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, first we will write perimeter.
First, what is the question? Beta, read the question.
Find the perimeter of a triangle ABC,
Correct.
ABE, B, the rectangle BCDE in the figure,
Hmm.
whose perimeter is greater.
हाँ, तो अभी पहले ट्राइंगल का पेरीमीटर निकालना है, फिर रेक्टेंगल का पेरीमीटर निकालना है, बाद में दोनों पेरीमीटर को कंपेयर करना है, कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है। ओके,
Yes, sir.
नाउ सी द फिगर। हाँ, ए बी का वैल्यू कितना है ये फिगर में, साइड ए बी का
5/2 centimeter.
5/2 सेंटीमीटर। व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ए ई?
3/335 centimeter.
3/5 centimeter. How we spell it? 3/5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
Okay. What is the value of BE?
3/4 centimeter.
Okay. यानी ये तीनों साइड है, ये ऊपर वाले ट्राइंगल के है ये तीनों साइड। Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes.
So we are having the value of it. What do you know about rectangle? क्या क्या पता है आपको रेक्टेंगल के बारे में?
Sir. Sir, rectangle.
रेक्टेंगल में सारे एंगल 90 डिग्री के होते हैं, ये पता है ना आपको लोअर क्लासेस में आपने
Yes, sir.
पढ़ा हो। ऑल द एंगल्स ऑफ रेक्टेंगल आर ऑफ 90 डिग्री।
90
ओके,
degree.
उसके अलावा अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ रेक्टेंगल आर इक्वल, ये भी पढ़ा होगा आपने।
Yes.
तो
Yes, sir.
अभी ये बीई साइड का वैल्यू कितना है, 3/4 सेंटीमीटर है, तो उतना ही वैल्यू किसका होगा, सीडी साइड का, बिकॉज दिस टू आर अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ रेक्टेंगल।
Yes, sir.
ईडी
Answer
साइड,
7/6 of BC.
हाँ, BC will be 7/6. That's it. Now we are having all the values. Now what we will do? First we will find the area. Sorry.
Sir, first we will find AB is equals to 5/2 centimeter, but AE is equals to 18/5, and BE is equals to 11/4 centimeter.
First, what we have to find? We have to find the perimeter of triangle ABC. So we will write that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Perimeter of triangle ABC. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter यानी sum of
Sir,
all the boundaries.
sir, it should be E.
Okay, okay. It should be E, correct. Here it is ABE triangle, huh? Okay. So AB plus BE plus AE. These are the three sides
Yes,
of
sir.
this triangle. with तीनों साइड की वैल्यू यहाँ पे लिखना है। AB कितना है?
AB is 5/2 centimeter.
What is BE?
3/4 centimeter.
So convert it into improper. What it comes?
It will be 11/4.
11/4. Okay. What about AE?
Sir, it will be 18/5 centimeter.
18/5. Okay. Now we know how to solve this. What we will do here?
Yes, sir. LCM.
LCM. Correct. What is the LCM then?
Sir, LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is sir 40.
40 is also the
Sorry,
LCM.
20.
20 is also the LCM. आप 40 भी लोगे तो भी आपका आंसर आएगा. ओके, बिकॉज 40 क्या है, ये जो एलसीएम का वैल्यू है उसका डबल है 40. देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट द आंसर. ओके, बट द एलसीएम हियर इज 20.
Yes, sir.
So
So
5.
then we will write 5 by 2 into 10. Then plus 4, 11 upon 4 into 5 plus 18 upon 5 into 4.
So what it comes then?
50 upon 20 plus 55 upon 20 plus 72 upon 20.
72 upon 20. Okay. So final answer.
Sir, then the final answer will be 177 upon 20.
177 upon 20 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, तो ये
Yes.
क्या हुआ, ये पेरीमीटर हुआ, ऊपर वाले ट्राइंगल का पेरीमीटर हुआ. अब नीचे वाले
Yes.
रेक्टेंगल का पेरीमीटर निकालते हैं. पेरीमीटर.
Perimeter of rectangle.
So what it will come?
Sir, it will be 2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B. What is L? L is nothing but the longest side.
Length.
So here we will take L to BE. Okay, length हमारा BE है और breadth हमारा क्या है?
Yes.
BC है सब.
BC.
Okay, हाँ, तो बोलो अभी.
So then first we will write 2 into answer will be 11 upon 4 only.
Okay, 11 upon 4 plus BC is how much?
Plus
7.
BC is 7 by 6 centimeters.
Okay, so now we know how to solve this bracket. What we will do? Again,
Yes,
we will
sir.
take LCM.
Sir, we will take LCM of 4 and 6.
So what is the LCM?
Sir, LCM sir 12.
Correct, 12 is the LCM.
Sir, then we will write 2 into 11 upon 4 into 3 into 3 plus 7 upon 6 into 1 into 2 into 2.
So what it will come? 33 upon
Sir,
12.
then 33 upon 12 plus 14 upon 12.
So what is the final answer?
Then sir, 2 into 33 plus 14 is 47 upon 12.
47. Okay, 47 upon 12. So here we can solve this. 2 into 47 upon 12.
47 upon 12.
So
2 ones are and it's 6 are.
So here I will write the
Answer is
final answer. I will write it here. 47 upon
7 upon 6
centimeter. This is the perimeter of rectangle. Okay.
rectangle.
And what was the perimeter of this triangle? It was 177
177 upon 20.
So this is the perimeter of this triangle. Now what we have to
Now,
find, which is greater?
which is greater one?
तो ये दोनों
Sir,
fraction.
first we will write the perimeter of triangle and perimeter of rectangle.
So which is greater?
177 upon 20 and 47 upon 6.
So 177 upon 20 and 47 upon 6. We have to compare
6.
this. So how we compare?
Sir, for comparing, we will find LCM.
No LCM beta. Here we do cross multiplication for comparison of fraction. So 177 into 6 and here 47 into 20. बोलो कितना आता है 177 into 6? Do it fast. Others also do it. Write the answers in chat box. Others also do it. 1062. Okay. 1062. And 47 into 20?
Sir, answer will come
940.
940.
ओके तो देखो अभी 1062 बड़ा है, 940 से 1062 बड़ा है, दैट मीन्स दिस फ्रैक्शन इज ग्रेटर. That means the perimeter of rectangle, the perimeter of triangle is greater than rectangle.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Perimeter of, yes, sir.
You will have to write the final statement. You will write this also, huh? You will write this also.
So after this, we have to write 177 upon 20 is greater than 47 by 6. 47 upon 6.
And how it came, we have proved it here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone? So which perimeter is greater? Which perimeter is greater? Which perimeter is greater? ट्राइंगल या फिर रेक्टेंगल? Which perimeter is greater? Triangle ABE, correct. Okay. Chalo, who will try the next one? Okay, Arya will try the next one. Yes, Arya. Arya Mirkad. Okay, let it be. She is not responding. Yuvraj Arsul.
Sahil wants to put a picture in frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed?
What do you mean by trimmed, beta? Do you know?
Sir, cut.
करेक्ट. ट्रिम यानी उतना पोर्शन हमको कट करना पड़ेगा ताकि वो पिक्चर जो है वो फ्रेम में फिट हो सके. ये क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है. ओके.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सी आई विल डिस्प्ले वन फोटो फर्स्ट. हाँ, दिस इज अ फ्रेम. ओके, दिस इज अ फ्रेम. तो ये इतना ही पोर्शन आपको दिखेगा व्हेन यू पुट अ पिक्चर इन दिस फ्रेम. बट ये यहाँ तक आपका पिक्चर होता है टिल हियर. ओके, गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. तो ये जो इतना
Yes.
पोर्शन है, ये इतना पोर्शन हम लोग ट्रिम करते हैं या फिर कट करते हैं. ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अभी देखो, अभी हमको क्या बोला है, साहिल वांट्स टू पुट अ पिक्चर इन फ्रेम. द पिक्चर इज 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, it should be, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10. ओके, यानी ये जो लेंथ है, ये इतनी जो लेंथ है वो कितनी होनी चाहिए? 7 3 by
10.
and the outer length, what it should be? 7 3 by 5 centimeter. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now what we will do?
Sir, we will convert mixed fraction into improper fraction.
Okay, बोलो क्या आएगा कन्वर्ट करने के बाद?
7 3 by 5 equals to 38 by 5.
Okay, 38 by 5 centimeter. And what about this?
7 3 by 10 equals to 73 by 10.
73 by 10.
10.
Okay.
Now, sir, we will subtract.
What we will subtract?
Sir, first we will take LCM of 5 by 10. 5 and 10.
तो इन ऑर्डर टू फिट दिस पिक्चर हमको कितना पोर्शन कट करना पड़ेगा? ये इतना पोर्शन कट करना पड़ेगा. तो वो कैसे मिलेगा हमको? जब ये बड़ी वाली लेंथ में से, ये बाहर वाली लेंथ में से हम अंदर वाली लेंथ को सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? No need to draw the frame, it is just for your understanding. No need to draw any frame. Okay. Yeah, so we will write something first. Whatever is given to us, the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. Okay, the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. Again, what is given? The picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 5 centimeter. Okay, maximum size of picture, it should be 7 3 by 10 centimeter. Okay, so trimmed picture, या फिर हम लोग बोल सकते हैं साइज ऑफ ट्रिम्ड पिक्चर, साइज ऑफ ट्रिम्ड पार्ट will be equal to 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. Now converting this, what it will become? 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10. Huh? Now tell further what will come.
Sir, after taking LCM, it will be 76 upon 10 minus 73 upon 10.
Okay. So what is 76 upon 10 minus
minus
73?
73 upon 10.
So what it will come? 3 by
3 by 10.
So 3 by 10 सेंटीमीटर इतना पोर्शन या फिर इतना पार्ट हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? ट्रिम करना पड़ेगा. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next one. We'll try next one. Only 4 or 5 students, they always give me the answers. What about others? Okay, Siddhi, you will try this.
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
Sir, the total quantity of apple is 1
Okay.
and the part that is eaten by Rishu is equals to 3 by 5.
Okay.
And the part of apple eaten by Somu is equals to 1 minus 3 upon 5.
Okay.
Then 5 minus 3 upon 5
Mm-hmm.
is equals to 2 upon 5.
Okay.
So the answer is 2 upon 5. Now we have to who has larger share and by how much. So Rishu has larger share and we will subtract 3 minus 2 upon 5, that is 1 by 5. So therefore Rishu has large share by 1 by 5.
करेक्ट. ओके, तो अभी देखो हमने स्टार्टिंग में भी देखा था. सपोज दिस इज अ सर्कल या फिर दिस इज अ पिज्जा. ओके, एंड वी आर कटिंग दिस इनटू 5 पार्ट्स. 1 2 3 4 and 5 parts. Okay, 5 pieces of this pizza we are doing. तो इसमें से ये 3 pieces जो है, these are shaded. So what fraction will represent it? 3 by 5. Yes or no? Total pieces are 5. जो हम denominator में लिखते हैं उसमें से shaded कितने हैं? 3 है. So 3 by 5 will be the fraction. So how many are unshaded then? How many are unshaded? 2 are
2 by
unshaded.
5.
So 2 by 5. Okay. So the remaining apples, आप एप्पल के जगह पे पिज्जा कंसिडर करो उसको थोड़ी देर के लिए, आपको वो जल्दी समझ में आएगा. ओके, सो रिमेनिंग एप्पल या फिर रिमेनिंग पिज्जा वाज ईटन बाय हर ब्रदर सोमू. तो सोमू कितना
Somu.
खाएगा फिर? ये व्हाइट वाला पोर्शन 2 by 5. ओके, अभी देखो, आपको फिगर देख के भी समझ में आ रहा होगा कि रिशु का जो पोर्शन है वो बड़ा है, यस और नो?
Yes.
और सोमू का जो पोर्शन है वो छोटा है। तो कितना छोटा है वो हमको निकालना है। तो अभी हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है, रिशु 3/5 खा रहा है और सोमू का 2/5 है। ये दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस हमको
1/5.
1/5 मिलेगा। सो 1/5 पोर्शन जो है वो रिशु ज्यादा खा रहा है और ये कम खा रहा है। 1/5 पोर्शन सोमू इज ईटिंग लेस। इज इट क्लियर टू यू
Yes, sir.
एवरीवन? इज इट क्लियर टू यू? Okay, so we will write it properly now. It was just for your understanding. Okay, now we will write the solution for this. Now what is said? Rishu ate 3 by part. Let us consider that we have one apple. Okay, we are having only one apple, और one apple में हम लोग we are dividing into parts. Okay, so 3 by part we give to Rishu and remaining part we give to Somu. So Rishu will be equal to 3/5 part, and Somu will be what then? It will be 1 minus 3/5 because we are having one apple. So उसमें से 3/5 part subtract करने के बाद हमको Somu का मिल जाएगा. So what it will come? 2/5 part. Okay, if you do the subtraction, आपको पता है ये कैसे करना है. अभी LCM लेके how to do this, you know it very well. So it will come 2/5 part. Now what they have said, how much part of the apple did Somu eat? We have find this 2/5 part. Okay, who had the larger share? So Rishu had the larger share. Larger share by how much they have asked. Okay, so to find that larger share, what we will do? We will subtract 3/5 minus 2/5. So by how much it is larger than 1/5? See, the denominator is already same. So we will perform the operation on the numerator only. 3 minus 2, that is 1. So 1/5 part is larger. Okay. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? I gave you the example of pizza. There you will better understand it. Okay, next one. Next one. Okay, Vaishnavi will try this. Vaishnavi Vagmare will try this.
Yes, sir.
Come on, start fast.
Sir, first, Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hours. Weber finished coloring the same picture in 3/4 hours. Who
Okay,
worked longer? By what fraction was it longer?
okay. हाँ बोलो फिर.
Picture colored by Michael is equal to 7/12 hours.
Okay, first we'll write Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hours. हाँ.
And
Next.
Weber finished coloring a picture in the 7 hours.
Your voice is not clear, beta. Huh? Coloring a picture in.
Now
Now it's okay.
3 by 4 are.
हाँ. Okay.
Then we will take LCM of denominator and
Hmm.
minus the smallest number into the biggest number.
So we want a required fraction. That required fraction will be what? Who worked longer? First of all, we will have to compare this two. Okay, we will have to compare this two. सबसे हम पहले हमको कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा, देखना पड़ेगा किसने ज्यादा देर काम किया है. So how we will compare these two fractions now?
By taking LCM.
No, beta, always we do not take LCM for comparing the fraction. What we do cross multiplication. छोटा बड़ा कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं अभी देखा ना पिछले एक क्वेश्चन में हमने.
Yes.
हाँ, so what is the cross multiplication? 7 4 is how much?
The 28.
And 3.
28.
हाँ, तो 28 and 36. So which one is greater now? Tell me.
36.
This is greater. That means this fraction is greater.
36 is greater.
हाँ, तो Vaibhav
Yes.
finished coloring a picture in more time. And Michael finished coloring a picture in less time.
Yes.
Is it clear now? So by
Yes.
what fraction was it longer? So now we will require one fraction. And that fraction, how we will get it? बड़े वाले fraction में से छोटा वाला subtract करना है. So which one is bigger now? 3 by 4 is bigger.
36.
3 by 4. I am asking about
3 by
fraction.
4 minus 7 by 12.
हाँ, do it now.
We will take LCM.
Okay, so what is the LCM?
12.
3 into 3 divided by 4 into
4
3.
into 3.
This will be minus 7 by...
7 into 1
okay.
and 12 into 1.
So 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. So what it will come? 2 by 12. And
2
what
by
is
12.
2 by 12? It is 1 by 6. Okay. Now here what will be the unit? We are talking about time. So it will be hours. 1 by 6 hour. Okay.
Yes.
Is it clear to everyone? For comparing the fraction, we always do this technique of cross multiplication. आप लोगों को मैंने लिखवा के भी दिया है in your notes. Mute yourself.
Yes.
Okay. So now see next question. Question number 7. What is given here? Vidya and Sagar went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bag that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Sagar consumed the remaining water. Okay. तो 5 लीटर में से 2 by 5 जो है वो विद्या कंज्यूम करती है, रिमेनिंग जो है वो सागर कंज्यूम करता है. ओके, जस्ट लाइक वी सॉ वन एग्जांपल ऑफ पिज्जा. ओके, सपोज अगेन there are 5 pieces of this pizza that indicates 5 liter of water. Okay, this is 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter, this is 1 liter, and again this is 1 liter. Okay, so 2 by 5 यानी this is 1 and this is 2. तो ये इतना पानी कौन पी रहा है? This is taken by Vidya. So the remaining white portion, it will be taken by Sagar. So which portion is greater than? Which portion is greater? Which portion is greater? Sagar's portion is greater. Okay, by how much it is greater than? By how much it is greater? इसका विद्या का फ्रैक्शन क्या है? It is 2 by 5. सागर का फ्रैक्शन क्या है? 3 by 5. By how much it is greater? If we want to find it, so 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Okay. 1 by 5. Okay. 1 by 5. Okay. So here 5 liter it is said. So 1 by 5 means what? 1 by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay. So it will come 1 liter. What fraction of the total quantity of water did Sagar drink? तो सागर का कितना आएगा? 3 by 5 multiplied by 5. It will come 3 liters. यहाँ से फिगर पे से भी बोल सकते हो आप, सागर कितना पी रहा है? 1 liter, 1 liter, 1 liter. So it will be 3 liter. You try this question. It is homework to you. 8th one and 7th one is homework to you. 7th and 8th is homework to you. You will do it in CW.